unbeatable location. This property is close to shopping and entertainment facilities, and it could be the best decision you have ever made. The home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it features dedicated parking for 1 vehicle. The kitchen is neat and functional with lots of cupboards. This home has a number of split systems for all-weather comfort, and it has natural look wooden flooring. This house comes with walk-in wardrobe to main bedroom, as well as high-quality fittings and fixtures. Add to that an undercover patio area. Looking for the ultimate location? Ideal is your first ever home. No time better than now. Contact the agent.